Hi everyone. I did get an oil change on this. A little bit after 11. I was just kind of curious because I know this is going to need tires. He's told me the cheapest ones that they have. I said, well, I need something since I'm a delivery driver. And it was like $1,200 for 4 tires. It's like, yeah, I kind of figured because this is all-wheel drive. Try to order them maybe online. I'll just get them from Tire Rack because they're cheaper from there. Because I ain't paying $1,200 for tires. I figure by February I should have enough to get the tires replaced on this. Not due for another oil change at 102,000 miles. Because everybody was getting tires in there, and it's like, well, I at least want to get a price. I checked a month ago, but the prices have went up. But I know I can get them cheaper online because that's where I've been getting my tires. I've been ordering them online and then having them come in. And I know I can get them cheaper than over 1,000 because I can get 4 new tires from Tire Rack for like $800, and Monroe wants for 4 over 1,000, and it's like another $80 to have them installed. So you're talking $900. So I'd save like $200 right there. I won't be able to do it until February anyways. I just wanted to get an idea because I've got like 2 months to come up with the money. I've got $400 set aside for it. So I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.